gently learns to stay, no longer moving from thought to thought or pulled so far away. Attention gathers and settles in between the inner eyes, where surface noise begins to fade and deeper meaning lies. In concentration, focus holds unbroken, clear and still. The scattered mind becomes a beam, aligned with inner will. No force applied, no strain imposed, just steady presence found, where thought becomes a silent field and truth is gathered now. An image, quality, or form is chosen with clear care. The senses soften, turning inward, releasing outer glare. The mind remains with what is held, without collapse or drift. And through this quiet steadiness, awareness starts to shift. In concentration, focus holds unbroken, clear and still. The scattered mind becomes a beam, aligned with inner will. No force applied, no strain imposed, just steady presence found, where thought becomes a silent field and truth is gathered now. From holding form to sensing essence, the focus deepens slow. The surface gives way to what moves beneath and starts to softly glow. What once was known as outer shape reveals itself